Hey, what's going on, y'all? My name is Tony, and today I'll be going over my Vicrez Widebody kit. I'll be reviewing it and show you things that I did in order for my fender flares to fit properly. I had to make some slightly modifications just for the simple fact that I do not have a Hellcat bumper. So just a disclaimer, I'm not a pro, and everything that I'm about to show you, by all means, like, don't think that I'm telling you to do it. This is just what I did, and it worked out for me. So let's just get into it. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll do my best to answer all your questions. Alright, so this is my 2017 Dodge Challenger TA392 with the Vicrez Widebody kit. I installed it myself, so everything that I'm about to show you, like I said, you don't have to do it. This is just something that I did, and I haven't had any issues ever since. So first thing I did, obviously, I used a lot of double-sided tape. It took me a lot of practice, a lot of tape, but eventually I got the handle of it. I'm gonna start with the rear, and also everything that I'm about to show you here, I did it on the other side, so I'm not gonna go around it. It's just the same thing. So double-sided tape everything. It looks nice right here. Just tiny little gap you can see right here. Nothing major. If you see all the way, nice and neat. Then if you come down here, you can see it's like nice and like perfect. I used double-sided tape as well here, just to maintain a tiny gap, and so it doesn't look nasty. Also, I was asked if I used any spacers, wheel spacers. Yes, I did. If you can see right here, I have 2-inch wheel spacers all around. I haven't had any issues. I've had them for 4 months now, and I've gone down the highway 75-80 miles per hour and no issues. So yeah, right here, as you can see, I had to cut the actual fender flare because it was rubbing with the wheel. And also it comes with some clips, and I also had to cut the clip as well. It's a whole like arch right here all the way to right there, and I had to cut them just for the simple fact that you see right here, it drops, so it is closer to the tire. So if you just lift the plastic right here, every time you go over a speed bump, a ditch, it's gonna rub. So all I did was just cut right here, and yeah, I haven't had any issues. Like I said, I'm not a pro, so it doesn't look all perfect. I'm just gonna, I'm not tripping about it because you can't actually see anything. Like, you're not gonna go and look around and be like, oh look, let me see, oh, it's all messed up. Nah, so I really don't care. But yeah, 2 wheel spacers. I had to cut right here. Same thing over here. Everything's flush, nice. Down here as well, double-sided tape all the way. And then if we go to the front ones, okay, so the front part is even lower than the rear over there. So I did the same thing. On this one, I actually did have to cut the fender, the actual fenders, plus the fender flares and the clip that comes with it right there. If you can see, all the way to right there. Same thing, 2 wheel spacers. And since I do not have the Hellcat bumper, just a regular Challenger bumper, I actually had to cut my air dam right here, make a hole since this flare right here is a little longer, so if you have the regular bumper, it's gonna hit your front air dam and it's not going to fit properly unless you have the Hellcat bumper, which I don't. So if you can see, I just did right here, I cut a hole and I just tucked it in, and from far it doesn't look that bad. So that's pretty much what I did on this side. Like I said, it's double-sided tape. I did the same thing on the other side, and this is what I did. Nothing major. Like I said, I'm not a pro, so if you have any feedbacks, please let me know, and if you have any questions, just please comment down below and I'll do my best to answer all your questions. Alright, so before I go, I just wanted to mention one last thing. I still have my OEM wheels all around, 9.5s, but I will be changing the rear ones for some 20x11 replicas, so just stay tuned for that video coming up. But yeah, like I said, if you have any questions in regards to the Widebody kit, just hit me up in the comments down below and I'll do my best to answer all your questions. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, my information will be in the description. And please, if you want to support the channel, just subscribe and I'll do my best to bring you more content in regards to my vehicle. So thank you all once again and see you on the next one.